Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows photo viewer does not have enough memory, you get this error, then please watch this video. Now, it's nothing with the memory of the system unless you have a really low memory. The main thing is that the file could be corrupted. So let's say that this is the photo file that I'm trying to view. What if it is corrupted? So to check that, try opening it with Paint. Right click on it. I'll show you once again. Right click on it, open with and select Paint, because if the file is corrupted it won't open on Paint either, so check that first. And the next one is to change the file type. Okay, so it's very easy for these ones. Let's say it's a JPG file. Wait, right click on it and sorry, first of all open File Explorer, click on view, click on show, click on file name extensions. Now go to this file and select the rename option, and then you can change it to, let's say, the PNG format. Okay, don't worry, it will still be usable. Now try opening it with the Photos app. Open with Photos app. Does it work? See, it works. Now the next one will be to change the photo viewer, obviously. So as I said, you can always use Paint, but if you want a permanent photo viewer, then you can search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for photo viewer here and wait for it to load, and you can use any of the free photo viewers from this list. For example, the one photo viewer, I guess it is free of cost. Simply click on get. Okay, it has a good enough rating and we can use it to view photographs on our computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.